What's up everybody, Maddie here, and today with my first tutorial ever, I'm going to show you how to remove things in pictures. So today I'm going to show you how to turn this picture into this one by getting rid of this little bird feeding apparatus here that doesn't need to be in that picture at all. So let's go ahead and open up Photoshop. So I usually like to do this when there's things in my pictures that don't really need to be there, and it just makes it easier on the eye to only focus on the things that I want you to focus on. So I'm going to open up the picture on my desktop. This one. First thing I want to do is make a copy of that by hitting Command J or Control J if you're on PC. That just duplicates the layer and make sure you don't erase everything in your picture. That's just kind of like a safety rope, and you can delete that layer and you have things to work with. So basically the first thing that I'm going to do is zoom in a little bit, take my clone stamp tool. This tool is great, I use it a lot when I'm touching up things. So basically what you want to do is hit Option and then click next to the item that you want to erase, and basically what it does is it takes the colors and everything from here and places it in here. So I'm gonna just click here, paint over it, click here, paint over it, Option, paint over it, and you want these seams to be perfect, so kind of messed up on that one. So I'm gonna take from here and replace it with that. And you can see that transition is pretty nice, so I'm just gonna continue it on with the water. Option, fill in, and if you mess up, just Command Z to replace that. Now this one's pretty sloppy because I'm trying to do this fast with the tutorial, but you can really get in depth and really get some nice transitions there. Okay, so now I'm done and looks pretty good. Gonna say I don't even see that it was there in the first place. So I mean, there's a lot of uses for this. If you have a pole that's in the middle of your picture that you don't want to be there, you can just spend a few minutes and erase everything else using the clone stamp tool. It's a great tool. Alright guys, that's it for today. Leave a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you in the next one.